Hello my friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I have another interesting tutorial, the easiest tutorial that you can find on YouTube. So let's get straight into it. Change the layout to blank. Now go to insert and insert a shape like this in the center. Now rotate it and do like this. Hit Ctrl and scroll your mouse so you can zoom out or zoom in. I will put my shape like this here. Now hit Ctrl D and I'll put my shape here like this, and again a Ctrl D. Perfect. Now hold shift and select all this slide and right click on it and group it. Now bring them here like this and right click on it and go to format shape, go to line and select no line, go to fill and select picture or texture fill, and you can insert your picture or anything from your device or from anywhere. If you want this image, link will be in the description. As you can see, I have inserted. Uncheck the rotate with shape, and now you can make it smaller or anything you want, like this. Perfect. Make it smaller like this. Perfect. Now let's write our text in it. Let's add our text box. So this mosque is in Istanbul, so I'll write Istanbul. I will choose this text, Akira, expand it. If you want this text, link will be in the description. Now I'll write Turkey. Make it a bit out like this. Perfect. Now let's make it bigger. Perfect. Now again, let's fit it like this. Now again, you can write anything you want here. I will add the lorem duplicate text. Like this. And increase its size. Make sure to select the text. Like this. Perfect. Now let's add some animations to it. Let's add animations to this first. Select this shapes and go to animations and select flying. Go to effect options and select from right. I want it to come from the right like this. And now let's add animations to our text also. I will choose the same animation, flying, but this time I will choose from left like this, and same for this text, flying from left. Now let's check it. I want it to be with the previous together. Let's play all like this. Now I want to increase its speed. Click on the arrow and go to effect options. Go to timing. Make sure you select very fast like this. And now let's add shape. Make this background good. Go to shape and let's make a shape right here like this, and let's make it here. Right click on it and send it to the back. I'll make it a little bigger and select it. Check the shape, right click on it and go to format shape and decrease its transparency about 78% and select no line. Go to slideshow and let's see from the beginning. Perfect. If you want to make it faster, you can make it faster. So that's it. So if you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Make sure to subscribe my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. See you in another video of PowerPoint. Thanks for watching.